Namaste all dear viewers. I'm going to explain here question and answers of the exercise 5.4 relating with the topic fraction and decimal from grade 7 compulsory mathematics. So here it go. Before start of this, we have to know here how we can convert given fraction into decimal and in what conditions or in what categories we can convert them. Right. Very first is we can convert any given fraction into decimal by performing the actual division, or we may say by the use of the long division. And another matter is uh, we can convert fraction into decimal by observing its denominator consisting the factors of 2 and 5 or not. Right? So if factors are consisting only factors 2 and 5, right, or the product of 2 and 5, or the powers of 2 and 5, right, so then we can easily convert by converting their denominators in form of the some multiples of 10, like 10, 100, 1000, 1000, 10,000, is it, or 1 lakh, like that, right? Okay, let's go. With that matter, I'll let you understand first. And for this, what we have to understand here is, like, okay, one example I'll go here. Suppose there is 5 divided by 1000, is it? And now when we convert into this fraction into decimal, right, so we're very sure first there are all zeros, is it, in down or in denominator with 1 front. So it may be 1000, it may be 10,000, it may be 1 lakh, it may be 10 only, right? So if that way, if there is a number in the denominator, so what you do here is you will count the digits 0, right? So you count digits 0 here, you count here 3, is it? So here we see 3 zeros. Then so what you have to do here is after decimal there should be kept 3 digits, right? So there is 5 above, is it? So 5 it will be here, is it? And including 5, now we have to make it 3 digits. So by keeping after 5 it won't work, right? It won't be making any sense, so we have to keep here front. So by taking help of 0 we can convert given fraction into decimal. So what we have to do here, we have to maintain here 3 digits after decimal, since there are 3 zeros down in the divisor or in denominator, is it? So 5 is there, and we take help of 0, we kept 2 zeros, so decimal you keep, is it? So it's 0.005, so we write here, or we read as 0.005. All right, suppose it was 15, all right, so 15 by 1000, if it was, then what will be here? So there are 3 zeros, so after decimal there you have to maintain 3 digits, so 15 is already above there, so 15 we keep. And now to make 3 digit after 0, so after decimal you need to take help of 0, so the 1 0 you keep, and then you keep point, is it? So it became here 0.015, is it? So it's 15 by 1000. Suppose there is 362, is it, and divided by 1 lakh is over there, right? And now what you see here, in 1 lakh you see here 5 zeros, is it? So as there are 5 zeros, so after decimal you have to maintain here 5 digits. And 362, already there are 3 digits, is it? So to make or to maintain 5 digits after decimal, you need to take help of 2 zeros, is it? And then you place your point, is it? So it's 0.00362, is it? So this is the first concept that you need to understand when we will be converting any given fraction into the decimal, is it, directly, is it? Okay, so now after that I go with number, okay, A to S, A to Z, these all are same, is it? A to Z, is it? So if I'm doing again one more time. Okay, so A number, is it, 3 by 10, so there is 1 0, is it? So after decimal 1 digit, and there is 3, and it is single digit, so we keep point over here. So after point there became one digit, so 0.3 is the answer for it. Then next B number, 43 divided by 10 is there. So 10 you see, is it? So after decimal you have to keep your one digit. So 43, it is two digit, is it? So if you place point in mid over here, is it? So after point then there will be one digit, so that's the answer, is it? And now number C, 57 divided by 100 you see. So two zeros you see, so it means what, after decimal you have to place here two digits. So 57, say my copy first, and now these are already two digits, so just keep point front of this, is it? So after point there became two digits, so 0.57 is the answer for it. Now D number, 273 divided by 100, is it? So thing is what, we are two zeros you see, is it? So to we have to maintain here two digit after decimal. So for this 273, between 2 and 7 if you place dot over here or decimal over here, then it's done, 2.73. so we maintain here two digit after the decimal. And number E now, so here we see 4572 divided by 1000, is it? So you're seeing here three zeros, is it? So after decimal you have to keep here three digits. So 572, there are three digits, so point you keep, then three digit became after decimal, so 4 you keep front. So 4 whole number point 572 or 4.572 we see, is it? Where we have maintained three digits after the decimal. And I number F, 2 divided by 100. So there you see two zeros, so after decimal you have to maintain it two digits. So 2 is already there, so 0 you keep front, is it? And dot you keep, so 0.02 the result, is it? And I number G, 25 divided by 1000 you do have, is it? Now you clearly see here three zeros with 1000, and be very sure there must be one in front, is it? 1, 10 10 1, 100 100, here 100, here 1000, here 100, is it? Here 1000, is it? So it should happen here, what, front should be 1, so it may be 10 100 1000 1000 10,000 1 lakh, like that, alright? And now 25 by 1000 for that, so three zeros you see, so after decimal there should be three digits, is it? So 25, two digits already there, so take help of 0, now plus point, so 0.025, is it? And now number H, so 1 by 2 you see, is it? So by same method, is it? We have to make here denominator possibly 10 100 1000 10,000 1 lakh, like that, is it? So we can make it, is it? We can make it in some certain condition, that is what, denominator must contain or should contain only factors of 2 and 5 or multiples of 2 and 5, right? So the thing is what, denominator must contain multiples of 2 and 5 or some powers of 2 and 5, is it? So the case is what, denominators if contain powers, right, powers of 2 or 5, is it? 2 and 5 also, both also may consist there, or either one of 2 and 5 or their powers, is it? They may contain powers of 2 or 5. It can be converted without doing actual division, is it? Converted directly, can say. Now here we see 1 by 2, is it? So their denominator 2 is that, is it? So we can change it into the 10 100, like that, and for that we need to multiply by some value. So it's what, it's 5, is it? 2 5 is 10, so by 5 we have to multiply here. So 5 1 5, 5 2 is 10, is it? And now it turns, there is 0, single 0, so after decimal one digit, so that is 0.5, is it? So it's up to number H, and I go with the another number after H. Okay, next number now from I. Okay, so here next number is from I, right? So in number I, we do have here 2 divided by 5, is it? So this 2 by 5, you see here denominator 5, is it? So this denominator 5, now you can turn it into the 10. So the way same, by 2 you have to multiply, is it? 2 5 is 10 you get. So denominator we multiply 2, and above in numerator also you multiply by the same number. So this way you get there 4 divided by 10, and now it turns to 0.4. It's number I. And now I go with number J. Alright, so in number J there is 7 divided by 4, is it? And now if you see 4, is it? So 4, this is a multiple of 2, is it? 2 into 2. So 4 consists, instead of saying multiple, is power of 2, is it? So it's 2 power 2. So just only 2 is consisted, factor 2 is consisted in the denominator. Now you can convert it into the 10 or 100 or 1000, like that, is it? So what do you have to do here? See, so 4, is it? So for this 4 you have to multiply, you have okay, so directly you can also say 4 into 25 is 100, or if you get confused by what you have to actually multiply, so let's break it, is it? 4 you break, you write 2 into 2, and now for each 2 you multiply by 5. So first 2 you multiply by 5, for second 2 also you multiply by 5. So by 5 we have multiplied 2 times, so it's 25, by 5 2 times we multiplied, is it? So above also we multiply 5 and 5, is it? So it's to make, so what is to make 7 by 4 into, so it's what, 25 into 25 by 25, is it? Above also we multiply by 25, is it? 5 into 5 is 25, and this 5 into 5 is also 25. So by 25 we are multiplying here, is it? And now it turns what over here? So 7 into 25, 7 5 35, 7 to 14, 14 3 17. So 175, and below there is 100, is it? So 20 you see. So after decimal you have to maintain 2 digits. So 1.75 is the result. So it's of number J, is it? And I go with number K. The guy is this. Number J. Now J we did, number K, is it? So 9 divided by 25 you see, is it? And now here this also consists only factors 5 and 5, is it? So this we can convert into the some powers of 10, is it? So for first 5 you multiply by 10, for second 5 also you multiply by 10. So we have multiplied by 2 and 2 down, is it? So above also you multiply by same value, 2 into 2. So it's to make what, 9 by 25 into, is it? So above we have multiplied by 2 into 2, that is 4, and down also we have multiplied by 2 into 2, that is 4, is it? So by 4 we multiply both numerator and denominator. So 9 4 is 36, 25 4 is 100. So it's what, it's 0.36, since 2 zeros are there, is it? So it's of K number. And I go with L number, right? So 23 divided by 50 is there. So let's do directly, because 50 into 2, definitely we know already it is 100. So let's multiply by without breaking 50, right? So into 2 we multiply. So 52 is 100, you get down, and above you get there 46. So 46 by 100, so it's 0.46, is it? Now after L number M we go, is it? So okay, where is this? Okay, number M. So 47 divided by 8 we have, and actually by what value we have to multiply directly, may not know. So let's see it by breaking, is it? 8 you break and you write 2 into 2 into 2. So for each 2 you have to multiply by 5. So how many times by 5 we have to multiply here? Is 3 times, is it? So first 5 by for first 2 by 5, next 2 by 5, for next 2 by 5, is it? So below it's the same, 5 into 5 into 5, is it? So thing is what here, below we get there first pair of 2 into 5 10, second pair of 2 into 5 also 10, and last pair of 2 into 5 is also 10. So 10 into 10 into 10 we got there 1000, is it? So by 1000 we got there 1000 down, is it? And above there is 47 into 125. So how much you going to get there? Let's see, is it? So 47 into 125. We are in grade 7, is it? And till grade 7 in government school of Nepal, or according to the schools in Nepal board, till grade 7 we are not allowed to use calculator. So this 47 and 125 you have to multiply manually by yourself without using calculator, is it? So let's go for it, is it? So 125 into 47, actually you by real multiplication you can do, or you may break 47 as a sum of 40 and 7, and then you can make product, is it? So you wish how you would go, uh, it's up to you. So I will do for breaking. All right, so this way I won't go, so I'll do this way. 125 into 47 I break and write 40 plus 7, is it? It will be way more easy to do by doing that. All right, so 125 into 4, is it? So 1 into 100 into 4 400, is it? And 25 into 4 another 100, is it? So this, if we break 40 into 100 4000 we get, and 40 into 25 40 into 25 100,000 we get, is it? And 125 into 7 7 5 35, 7 to 14 3 14 3 17, is it? And 7 1 7 and 8, is it? So 5875 I get. So how I did, see? So 125 into 40 we have to do, is it? So this 125 also I taught by breaking. 125 is 100 plus 25. So by 40 I multiply 125. By 40 when I multiply 100, 4000 I got, and by 40 when 25 I multiplied, I got 1000, is it? And by 125 lastly I multiplied with 7, so I got that 875, and 4 plus 1 5000 and 875. So there we get here 5875 and divided by their 1000. So you see here 3 zeros, so after decimal you have to give it 3 digits, so it will be here 5.875. so it's of number M, is it? And now after M, now let's go with N number. So let me clear of it. Okay, so number N, right? So in N number there is 125 by 16, is it? So it's what, 16 is to 4 times, is it? So as they are 2 4 times, you have to multiply by 5 also 4 times. 1 2 3 4, and down also 1 2 3 4, right? And I will turn it into what? So below you get there, down you get there 2 5s are 10, is it? First 2 into 5, is it? That will give you 10. The next 2 into 5, is it? So next 2 into 5, that also will give you 10, is it? The next 2 into 5, this next 2 into 5, that also will give you 10, is it? And then last 2 into 5, it also give you 10, is it? So 10 10 4 times you got, so it is 10,000, is it? And now above is there 125 into 25 into 25, 625, is it? So 125 into 625 we do have, and down there is 10,000, is it? 4 zeros, 10,000, and above 125 into 625, is it? So 625 into 125, let's multiply. So I will break it, 600 plus 25 I'll see, and into 125, is it? And now by 600 I have to multiply here 125, and by 25 I have to multiply here again 125, is it? So I go with this way again. So 600 into 100 plus 25 I see, is it? And this 25 into 125 I break as 100 plus 25, right? So it will become here 60,000, is it? 600 into 100, 6,000, and plus 600 into 25, 6 5s are 30, 6 2s are 18, 18 19 20 21, is it? So 210 and 20, is it? And plus I'm moving okay. So now 25 into 100, is it? So 2500 you get, and 25 into 25, that is 625, is it? So breaking is done. Okay, so how much are we going to get there? So 60,000 into 21,000, so you get there 81,000, and plus 2500, is it? And then plus 625. So if we add here 2500 and 1000, so you're going to get there 83,500, is it? And plus 625. And now so 25 isn't, and 6 5 11 3 1 4 and 8, so 84,125 we got here, is it? 84,125. So either you break this way or you perform the multiplication by another method. 625 into 125, directly you can multiply first by 5, then by 2, then by 1, is it? And then you group them. So it's up to you how you make choice. So like now it got what? 84,125 by 10,000. So you see here 4 digits, so you have to give here 4 digits after decimal, is it? So 84125 we do have, and now to keep 4 digit after decimal you have to keep dot over here. So it is what? It's here 8.4125, is it? So it's of number n. And after number n, now I go with number O. Okay, so I'm going with number O. Okay, so we do have here 3425 divided by 4, is it? So 4 is down, so if you multiply by 25, then you will get there 100 in denominator. So 3425 by 4 into 25, is it? So you get here 3. I'll break here 3000 plus 425 into 25, is it? And down there is, sorry, I made mistake here, down, not 100, by 25 we should have multiplied, is it? And that will be there 100. And then 3000 into 25, 75,000, and plus 425 into 25, is it? So that also I'll think by breaking. So 425 is 400 plus 25, 400 into 25, so it's 400 into 25, that is 100 0 0, is it? So it's 10,000, is it? And 25 into 25 is 625, and down there is 100, is it? So 75,000 and 10,000, 85,000, and 85,000 and 625, 85,625, and down 100, is it? So you see here 2 zeros, so after decimal you have to keep your 2 digits, so it's here 856.25. so that's the thing, is it? So up to number O, is it? So of this one number we have done here, right? And now for number 2, right, I'm going, so there's 2 number. Okay, so what's here, let's see. Okay, so in this number 2, now you say convert each of the following fractions into decimal numbers and decide whether it is terminating or recurring or non-terminating decimal, is it? So we have already discussed about if the factor if the divisor, it consists only the not multiples, only the powers of 2 or 5, then those fractions we can convert into the terminating decimal. Before which we did in number 1, they all were terminating decimal, is it? And now we go with the non-terminating decimals also. All right, okay, let's see. So here number A, is it 2 by 5, so you can convert into the 100 base. If you can convert into the 100, then definitely it will be terminating. All right, so here 2 by 5 is terminating, and b 7 by 5, is it? So here denominator consists only 5, is it? So it's also terminating. You can convert into the 10 multiplying by 2. And c, here 8 is there, so 8 is all product of 2 into 2 into 2, so by 5 3 times, 5 into 5 into 5. By that, if you multiply numerator and denominator, you are going to get it turning denominator into the some multiples of some powers of 10, either 100 maybe 1000 maybe, like that it will come. So you can terminate it, is it? Or you can find this as the terminating decimal. And now in number D, the denominator is 6, which if you factor, you get that 2 into 3, is it? So not only 2, there is 3 also. And if there is factors, or there are prime factors other than 2 and 5, including 2 and 5, right? Including 2 and 5, if they're consisting other factors than 2 and 5, then those fraction will not terminate. It will be either recurring decimal, or it may be non-recurring or non-repeating decimal, is it? So let's go with this example. So 11 by 6, is it? So obvious that you can't convert its denominator in form of 10, 100, 1000 like that. So what you have to do here is you have to perform your actual division. So now we're going to do the actual division here. So I'm doing with the number. So we do have here 11 divided by 6, is it? Okay, so let's perform the actual division, is it? So by 6 11, it goes only one times for exact, is it? So 6 ones are 6, is it? Two times if we do, it will get 12, which is greater than 11, so you can't perform that. So one time it goes. So 11 by 11 different 6, is it? So that's 5. And now when there is 5, is it? Now it's not divisible by 6, so you can plot here, you can keep here dot, is it? You can keep here dot and place 0 for one time, for a single time, right? And now you divide here. So 50, it goes by 6 now, is it? 6 8s are 48 you get, is it? And then down you get subtracted, and you get 2 over there, is it? So 2 0, is it? And now again you go for dividing again. So 6, how many it goes? 6 3s are 18, is it? 6 3s are 18, is it? And now again it came 2, is it? And now 0. For one time we can keep 0 just after decimal is followed. After keeping decimal, for one time for dividing, you can keep 0, is it? And again 6 3s are 18, is it? And now again coming to, so it's recurringly coming there 2 as a remainder, is it? Now it won't terminate, so it's repeating over there, is it? So here 20 repeated. First 20 was this, again second 20 repeated, again 20, again 20. It will come like that, so it will get repeated. This digit 3 above, is it? This digit is going to repeat. And what digit? Okay, so the thing is, what it's getting repeated, is it? So the thing is how we write this, right? So 11 by 6 we got here 1.833, like that, is it? So it's repeating, and non terminating decimal. So you first say it's non-terminating, and repeating decimal. And there's one way to write, right? So which value you see repeated, right? So here 3 repeated, 3 these 3 are repeated, is it? So which value is repeated for the first time, from where it start to repeat, either it is single digit or combination of 2 or 3 digits. Above of that we keep here bar, right? So it shows it is getting repeated, is it? So what bar I have kept here, is it? It shows what that digit is, or those many digits getting repeated. So here 3 is being repeated for all the time over here continuously, is it? So the thing is what, therefore 11 divided by 6 equal to 1.83 bar. So above 3 is bar, so 3 is getting here repeated, right? Okay, so now I go with the another one. I go with another line from E to S now. Okay, so now in number E, right? So E consists here a denominator 8, which is paragraph 2 into 2 into 2. So you can terminate it. You can convert it into terminating decimal by multiplying by 5 for 3 times, is it? So it's up to you. G number also you can terminate, because 16 is consisting all powers, all factors 2. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. So by 5 you multiply 4 times, and you can turn it into the some powers of 10, maybe 1000, it may be 10,000, like that you can calculate there. And it's also very same. 32 is there, so it's 2 power 5, is it? So by 5 power 5, or by 5 times if you multiply, then you can get some numbers in term of the powers of 10, is it? And then you can convert them into the terminating decimal, is it, easily. And now this number F, right? So here denominator is 9, is it? So it's very sure that you can't convert it into the terminating decimal. So for finding what decimal will it be there, you have to perform your actual division. So this one I will do here last. So by 9, let's get 17 divided, is it, number F I'm doing. So 9 to is 18 you get, is it? But there's 17 only, so only one time it's going. Sorry. So it's going one time, is it? And now from 17, 9 let's get subtracted, is it? So you get there 8, is it? And now 8 is not going divisible by 9, so decimal you have to keep, and once after that you can assist here 1 0, is it? And now it became 80. Now by 9 8 is 72, 8 time it goes, is it? And again then get subtracted, again you are reaching it. So it's obvious that again you can keep 1 0 after that, and now again you get there 9 8 is 72, is it? And again you subtract 8, you frequently you're getting 8 over there, is it, as a remainder. And it's so you get here 8 all the time as repeated, is it? So it's repeating decimal, it's non-terminating it's non-terminating and repeating decimal, is it? Repeating decimal. And for this you can write down here uh, 17 by 9 equal to 1.888 repeated. Here 8 is repeated, so first repeat from the start of the first repeat, above there you keep their bar, is it? Therefore 17 by 9 is 1.8 bar. So okay, up to here number H I'll let you learn. So from I to T number remaining there, so that including that for other number of afterward of number 2 3 4 5. So I'll let you learn in the next video. So you have watched, thank you for watching, and be sure you are supporting, and the yeah, you are supporting me by making thumbs like, is it, share, subscribe. Okay, so keep learning. Thank you everyone.